Look at you.
Here we go.
Do it.
Ready? Turn it around. Turn it around so you can push it to Grandma. There we go. Push it. Push it.
She saw the camera. That's why I came around the corner.
Show Daddy how you push it.
Push
Ready?
it.
Here it
Yeah.
comes. Whoa.
Do it.
Push it. Push it. Push it to Grandma. Real hard.
You like how its eyeballs move?
Yeah. See? Okay, Grandma's gonna catch it. Ready? Turn it around to Grandma. She discovered something there. The eyes.
The eyes have it. Woo!
Whee! It's gonna get you! Woo! I caught it! It's gonna get you! Look how coordinated she is, though, you know? 16 months, John.
Woo!
Strong.